Hello nail people and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. We are back with a tutorial that was from a while ago. We are going to be doing the June Follow the Tutorial from the Mani by Me box, and I'm just going to remind you what was in that box very quickly. We had the two colors that were Cosmos and Stellar, and they look like this, just as a reminder. Super rich, dark, beautiful blue, and Stellar was a lavender purple color. Then we had our gift, which was the very awesome, what are these called? Oh my gosh, these are sticky stamper stations. Oh my gosh, super great, wonderful. Let's make sure to use one of those. And then we have the MXM081 and 082. This was the cats in space theme. Very cute plates. So let's get to the tutorial. Here was the tutorial. It was the Kitty Sector 9 Manicure How-To. Outer space can get a little bit lonely, so we put together a space crew of furry friends to keep you company in your creative journey. I think it's that one that they're gonna do. Okay, let's move some stuff out of the way, and let's have a look at what our tutorial here. Here is the entire tutorial, and then it says step 1, apply a base coat and allow it to dry. I'm going to be doing it on these fake nails that I already prepared, so no need to put a base coat. It says paint 1 coat of the Stellar polish. This is actually 2 coats of that Stellar polish, so it would be lighter if it was only 1 coat. Okay? Step 3, with black stamping polish, pick up the Astro Bunny image on MXM082. So 082, the Astro Bunny. Is that, oh my gosh, how adorable is he? Okay, so we're gonna pick him up. Okay, he's the guy we've got to get. And then we paint the helmet in a neon orange. I don't know if I have neon orange. Okay, neon orange, and then paint the bunny in white. So I need to get 3 colors. I'm gonna get black stamping polish, neon orange, and white. Okay, I went and picked up the 3 colors I needed. I have your straight up black, your bam, white, and for neon orange, I don't know if that's neon or not, but it's definitely orange. This is TP tipping. So those are the 3 colors I'm gonna use. I'm gonna get my stamping stuff ready to go. I always like to put a little cotton round underneath whatever I'm gonna stamp. That's gonna be a lot of black on there, so let me turn him over so we can get this like that. Yeah, that moon thing is kind of cool. I also need to make sure that I have my stamper ready and my scraper. So I've got a monocle stamper, which, this is one of the things I don't love about these old I don't know if they've changed the new ones or not, but the latest one they had, the dome one, that was really nice because the back of it popped off. Okay, let's get our little bunny creature. We'll pick him up and then let him dry and paint some stuff on him. Wah-ya! Wah-ya! Okay, how's that pick up? Does mine go all the way? Sorry guys, I gotta grab something because his helmet looks not perfect. Yeah, it looks kind of like the helmet didn't come all the way through, nor his ears. Let's try that one again. So I'm gonna use my sticky stamper station. So I'm gonna grab my sticky stamper station. I'm gonna peel off one of the sheets. And on that sheet, I peel it back. And then I can just put this on there when it's too much. So I've cleaned it off. And we'll give that another try. Hopefully it's better this time. Okay, I'm going to scrape in one direction and pick up in the other direction. Maybe I just didn't scrape it well. Okay. Here we go. Okay, scraping. Oh, that was not a good scrape. Picking up. Oh, that was better. Yeah, now we can see his little helmet and stuff. So that was a better pickup. Let me clean off our stamping plate, set that off to the side, and then we'll have a look at what we have on here. Once again, I'm going to use that sticky stamper station just to get off the excess image. that I don't need, so I can focus just on that little guy. Okay, dokie. I need my, I think, orange first because the helmet is going to be super fine. I am going to be using my detail brushes from one of the Maniology Mani by Me kits, and here we go. Put a dab of that TP tipping color. Okay. And just ever so slightly make sure to get that helmet. Uh-oh, that wasn't ever so slightly. Trying not to get him. And it's okay that I got it on the black. That's not a big deal. What would matter is if I got it on him. Oh, I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, let's see how that looks. Well, it's not neon, but it's definitely colored in. Maybe there's a section over here that we need to do. Yep. I missed it. That's my fault. Okay, just connecting the dots. That should be better. Yep. I mean, geez, you can barely see that helmet though, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna clean off my brush. I just wiped it with, I just wiped it like that on one of my cotton rounds, and then I'm gonna pick up my white so I can color in Mr. Bunny. And then Mr. Bunny's gonna have to dry before I can go on to the next step. Okay, so there's his ear. Let me get this closer for you guys. There's one ear and two ears. And his cute little body. This is going to be a challenge to make sure I get all of it. So I think this is his little arm. And okay, I think I've got it. Let's twist it over and make sure. Yes, and you'll still be able to see the purple through that space in his helmet. Okay, he looks cute. Oh my gosh, he's adorable. Okay, that has to dry. In the meantime, I'm going to be thinking about what I want to do on the other nail while that's drying. Okay, while that's drying, I'm going to try something different. I think I want to use the same plate, and this is a dark color, so I'm going to need, I thought about using this pewter color and picking up this image, and I might try to reverse stamp with it because that cat is cuckoo looking. So I think I'm going to try to get him. Let's see what happens here. Let me put something underneath there. I'm gonna try to grab, normally I would clean up those two little dots. I'm just so excited I can't even think about it right now. Oh, and I need another stamper. So I've got me an ice cube stamper ready to go. I gotta clean it off. Where's my sticky stamper station? Okay, maybe I just need to calm down for a second instead of getting so excited. What is that? Oh, it's on the back of it. And I've got a hair on it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'm covering it. That's a pretty big nail, so I'm going to make sure to get the whole image on there. I'm going to scrape it. I'm going to pick it up. Okay, and there he is. He is sad looking. I want him to be orange for sure. Okay, is this still good? Maybe, a little bit, yeah. Okay, is it, oh, he goes this way. Put him upside down. I mean, he looks completely different like that. It looks like he's got a hat on and he's not a cat. I don't know. Anyway, here's the kitty cat. Let's put the cat in orange. Let's get crazy with this thing. Okay, I'm just gonna do a little paint job down here. I mean, they're orange cats, right? I had an orange cat. Aren't they called tabbies? I really don't know. I don't know anything about cats. I have a cat. The cat doesn't love me nearly as much as he loves the rest of the people in my family. The cat and I kind of tolerate each other. But the orange cat, he passed away. I loved him. The other one I love too, don't get me wrong, I love him too. He doesn't have the same relationship with me as the orange one did. Okay, I do not want to color in his eyeballs orange because that's creepy. And then what color should I make the rings around him? Maybe I should make him that stellar color, that purple. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, this is pretty much drying up, so I need to be very careful at this point. Okay, let's see how he looks now. I hope you guys were able to see that. Ew, those eyeballs look creepy. Ew, let's make his eyeballs white. And that way, I mean, we got the white right here, so. Uh-oh, no, it's definitely need to put a little bit more on there. Then we can make sure that his eyeballs are going to shine through. There we go. There we go. And then I want to use that purple color. This is how I do my brush, by the way. I just kind of wipe it off with that. And then I'm going to use this purple color for the rings around whatever he's in the middle of. Is he supposed to be like a cat planet? I don't really know. Okay, now we're going to have to wait for this to dry too, since we did some reverse stamping. Also, this polish is a little bit translucent. At first, it looks definitely different with 2 coats as opposed to 1. And I want to make sure that it's nice and thick, so I'll probably apply another coat here in a second. Okay, let's see what he looks like. You can't even tell that that's the purple color, can you? That's okay. You can definitely tell he's a cat and he's upside down again. No, he's not. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's going to be a funny nail, I think. Anyway, okay, we've got to, I think that's probably dry. I'm going to go ahead and put another little bit of that purple on there. I still don't think we're going to be able to see it properly. Okay, while I'm waiting on these things to dry, I'm going to clean up because it's driving me nuts. Okay. All right, we've got our 2 images ready to go. This one on that one on that one. And now we are going to use foil glue. Let me refer back to the directions in the tutorial though. It does say, well, we already did this one. And then we are going to apply a sticky base coat over the purple base. Wait 45 seconds or more so that the nail is tacky. Apply the bunny design to the nail. Seal the nail with a smudge-free top coat. I don't use the sticky base. I use foil glue. This stuff stays sticky forever. So that's how I'm going to make sure it gets on there. This stuff, you use a very thin, just a very thin layer is all you need for this stuff. It's really going to catch that quite easily. You do need to wait about a minute for it to dry though. So super thin layer. And I will see you guys in a minute when this is dry. Okay, let's start with the one that's in our tutorial. We're going to start with the little kitty cat and we are going to apply him to the nail at this point. So we're setting that one aside. Not kitty cat. This one is a bunny. A bunny design. Oh, gotta make sure I turn him the right side up. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Okay, this is a really big nail that I'm putting him on, but this is so cute. And they put him really in the middle of the nail. He transferred well, and you can see his little orange helmet, which is really cool. Not super well, but you can see it. You can definitely see it better on theirs. For show, for show. Yeah, I just didn't, maybe it wasn't etched deeply enough there. I don't know. Also, this person has a tiny little nail. Let's go ahead and put a top coat on that so we can make sure that it seals in. I am going to be using Maniology's Smudge Free Top Coat. And I always apply this too thickly, so I'm going to do my very best not to be thick. Okay. Making sure I get it all over the nail and not too thick. I think I did a decent job that time. I'm always too thick with it. Okay, I think it's on to the next guy. By the way, when you're done and you need to clean up your stamper because it's going to have a little bit of that foil glue on it probably, make sure to just roll it on your sticky stamper station a couple of times. And then it'll be nice and clean for you to use next time. Okay. All right, moving on to our other cat on our other nail. Here he is. You know what? I need to move this out of the way. Okay, you go over there and dry, and now we're gonna move over here. Oh my gosh, I do love this silver color on top of that Cosmos color. Am I in the middle? Am I in the middle? I hope I'm in the middle. Oh, I got it wrinkled a little bit. Gosh darn it. Oh, pupil snaps. What happened to that section? Was that part of it? Oh, maybe I didn't have good foil glue there. Anyway, he's okay. He's okay. Maybe I could go back and put a little section in. I think I can add it. Let's give it a try. Yep, because it was still sticky, I was able to add it. Okay, that's awesome. He looks a little creepy with his eyes. Honestly, maybe I should have made him black, but let's go ahead and give him a top coat too. Once again, I'm going to use that Maniology's Smudge Free Top Coat, and I'm only going to apply a little bit. I didn't do a good job of putting that on there. I wrinkled the design. On those larger designs, if it's on a larger nail, it's a lot easier to wrinkle. But usually my nails aren't that big, so maybe I should start using my smaller nails. Okay, I'm taking off lots of excess. And let's put this on top of our design. This is our smudge-free top coat, so we shouldn't have any smudging drama. Okay. And there you have it. I definitely like their design more than mine, and I think I probably should have just painted his eyes black. That probably would have been better because, I mean, he's supposed to look crazy as it is. On the actual design, it has like swirly, swoopy eyeballs for him, so, no, it was definitely upside down again. He's definitely got some cuckoo crazy bird eyes. Or maybe those are goggles. No, those are crazy cuckoo bird eyes. That's what I think. Anyway, so I like theirs better than my design, but this Cosmos color is super pretty. And silver on top of that is going to look amazeballs. You know, Christmas is coming and that's going to look really cool. Anyway, peeps, that was your September Mani by Me Follow Me tutorial with the Kitty Sector 9 manicure how-to. And if you love Maniology as much as I love Maniology and you don't have their subscription box, I mean, think about it. Some people just get the express one so they can get the cute stamps. I always feel left out when I don't get the polishes too, so I end up with the polishes too. Just as a reminder, in that kit, you got those 2 polishes that were called Cosmos and what was the other one? Oh, Stellar. And then you got the MXM081 and 082, the little kitties. They were so cute. You also got, I love that Maniology does this. They put that extra item in there, and it was the sticky stamper station this time. Thank you, Maniology. We needed it. It was time. Okay, peeps, that's it for me. If you do want to get 10% off of your other orders, feel free to use Groove Mama at your checkout at Maniology.com. People, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!